All right, so I think we are at the step where we can set up the standing electric desk. Okay, we're setting you here because the place is a mess right now, and I kind of trapped myself into the room by how I set it up. So this is the current angle. Might move you. Let's see. Let's see. This is gonna be a mess. And that's okay. There's so many pieces. Okay, maybe this is the angle. Currently. We'll see. Let's take a look at the instructions. Okay. This might take longer than I thought it would. Hold on, let me get my drill. I have acquired screwdriver. Okay, this is voiceover. While I am setting this up, this is my plea to feed the algorithm. Or no, that's not how it works. This is my plea for you to engage with this content in whatever way you feel comfortable. Thank you. What do I do with these? These are bitches. I'm gonna get... Where did I put it? I brought in... Oh, there it is. These feel pretty secure. What's next? Okay, so I have I have connected the two parts for the countertop, and I have to do the scary part of lifting this and flipping it so that I can attach them. Woo! This is what it's looking like. Detach this and this. Ignore, I'm gonna vacuum. Gotta attach those. All right, this is the desk completely set up. Still have not vacuumed the floor, but I will worry about that later. I am so excited. So if I hit, oh, okay. I like it pretty high, honestly. How high does it go? Wow. Oh my goodness. This is gonna make cutting so much easier. Wow. Excellent. I am absolutely sweating. I have the fan going and I'm still like struggling. But the desk is set up. I have it currently at, let me see, 85. I'm going to play around with the settings, maybe. But I am excited to decorate the desk. That's what I'm probably most excited for, because right now the floor is a mess. Everything is just an absolute mess. So let's get this desk set up and organized. Okay, it's a little bit later, and I will actually not be showing the desk because I have loaded it up with whips. The desk is already a mess, so I will not be showing it. At least right now, I will not be showing the desk setup. But I do want to clean it and have it organized for the future that I can later show. I'm currently editing the video and realizing that, yeah, that I'm not gonna show the mess that it is right now. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was good background noise. I hope that I could keep you company. Let me know what you're working on. I know that's like the classic craft YouTuber question is like, what are you working on while you watched or listened to this video? And I would love to know because I am currently drowning in whips and still want to start new projects with the fall coming up. So stay tuned for all of that fun jazz. Stay crafty, stay goblin-y.